A very good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, TP Maunavi from UKGA. I am very happy today because we are celebrating Independence Day. Our country became free on 15th August 1947. Indian national flag has three colors: saffron, white and green, with the Ashoka Chakra in middle. Let us love, respect and keep our country clean. Jai Hind. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.